Hi guys, it's me again, Romella. So anyway, Lucas is decorating for our gamay nga celebration for our wedding, guys. And this is the final look already, and it's already done. So there's a flower there, of course, my picture. And here is the visitor. Dumating na pala, guys. Yan is yung mga pinsan ni Lucas. Of course, this is my husband. And ito na pala yung niluto ko, guys, na pork and then chicken, and then may pa-surprise pa sila na cake dito. Ayan, made by friend sa mama ni Lucas. Ito pala yung chicken adobo, which is nahurot talaga siya, guys. And this one is also a German dish. Ito is pork adobo and then soup. And this is our visitors. Ito yung mga friends namin, lahat-lahat namin. Kina-claim ko na dahil bitaw. Muna siya mga gyapon na siya, guys, kanang some of them is friends, tapos family po ni Lucas. So, first na kong gikaon is soup, tomato soup. Syempre, dili mawala nga makilig mo dihang dapita. So, di ba? So, unta, gikilig mo.